Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of one of the world's most iconic car brands, BMW. BMW stands for Bayerische Motoren Werke, or Bavarian Motor Works. It was founded in 1916 in Germany, not as a car company, but as a manufacturer of aircraft engines. That's right, BMW originally took to the skies during World War I, but after the war ended, the company had to shift gears literally. Aircraft production was banned, so BMW started building motorcycles in the 1920s. And by 1928, they rolled out their first car, the BMW Dixie. During World War II, BMW returned to aircraft engine production. However, after the war, the company faced destruction, and car production was halted. In the 1950s, things looked uncertain, but the tiniest set of microcar helped BMW stay in business. Then came the breakthrough. In the 1960s, BMW launched the sporty 1500 sedan, which set the tone for decades of innovation and style. Models like the 3 Series, 5 Series, and 7 Series turned BMW into a global symbol of luxury and performance. Fast forward to today, and BMW is still going strong. From high-performance M models to eco-friendly electric vehicles like the i4 and iX, BMW continues to lead the way in the automotive world, proving why it's still the ultimate driving machine. If you enjoyed this quick history, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more bite-sized car stories, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.